Hello everyone, welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. Today I would like to give you a little video. If you're looking for a way or easy way to make money online and to get daily commissions, this here will be a great opportunity for you guys. You can make a low ticket type of offer, which is easy and that's cheap for you to get in and to get started, and it is beginner and newbie friendly. So I'm gonna go back here and show you what the offer that I'm using, and the offer that got me started when I pretty much didn't have much money to put into a high ticket affiliate marketing system, and it's Lead Lightning. And Lead Lightning is a one-time $7 opportunity to get started with, and you could be able to earn $6 commissions for each sign up that you get. So it's very, very reasonable if you're trying to make an easier way to make money online that's very low cost. It's very easy to get into, and it's tons of training also once you get started with them. So this is what I use. I'm used through the Power Lead system, and it also can promote Lead Lightning. You also can see that it has a free lead system to get started in each upgrade. So Lead Lightning is the upgrade for free lead system. So let me show you right here Lead Lightning. You could use your own link. You could promote your own link, your own primary business along with it. If you don't have a primary business, you can also just promote Lead Lightning itself. So I'm gonna show you here in my email. I'm gonna show you a little bit of proof that this system does work, that I do get leads and get opt-ins for this particular opportunity. I'm gonna show you here back in my email. As you can see, today at 7:50 in the morning, which is today is October 31st, and today at 7:50 a.m. I had just earned a $6 Lead Lightning commission. And as you can see scrolling on down, my emails October 30 yesterday, I had people sign in. You can see Astro, a prospect just filled out an opt-in form. It's easy, guys. All you need to do is just to get targeted traffic, get people to your opportunity. So it's different ways that you could be able to do that. I got much marketing training that I could show you guys on how you could get these leads and how you could get those leads and turn them into sales, because people at one point, they're going to check out what you have. People are going to see the type of material and content that you put out. If you show up daily, if you show up and people can see you on a regular basis and seeing that you actually making action, you're going to get sales. You're going to get signups. That's the name of the game, is getting more eyeballs to your opportunity. And you too will also have results like this. You'll have more people coming to your opportunity. You see what I'm saying? It still didn't stop. October 23rd, so many people was actually signing up, and I'm getting daily leads. And for an easy offer, many people could get started. This is an easy offer, a low ticket offer to get started. And it's a one-time $7 fee to join Lead Lightning. So if you would like to get your hands on the Lead Lightning system, the link in the description will be below. Check out my upcoming videos on tips and tricks and strategies that I do use with the Lead Lightning and also the Power Lead system to get started. If you need any type of training, I could be your guy to help you with that once you sign up with me, and I can show you the ropes pretty much, how to really get started and how to get on the right path. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. I will check you guys on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments below for any other strategies, tips, and tricks that you may be concerned. You can also contact me on Facebook And I'm also on other social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok. I do content on that. And all those ways are different types of strategies that you can use to get exposure for your opportunity. All right. That's it for you guys. I'll see you later in the next video. Peace.